Hey, what's up, everyone? It is TechWares, and today is December 13th, 2024. Intel Arc B series graphics cards for desktop, discrete graphics cards, have officially been launched. The Intel branded B580 was launched yesterday, and today is the launch of the AIB models for the B580. And this is on the Intel website, as you can see. The first one here is, you're seeing in the middle, is the Intel branded B580. All right. The B570 GPUs will be releasing next month in January. So right now you can only get the B580 models, and the reviews actually were positive, very, very positive. It is literally amazing that Intel has launched the B series GPUs with such a positive reviews. All right, so now let's take a look at the driver that was released today as well. This is the launch driver. All right, for that brings support for the B series. As you can see the date here, 12/13/2024, which is today. All right. Now let's take a look at the driver release notes. So first up, the launch driver for Intel Arc B series graphics, codenamed Battlemage. All right, this driver introduces Intel Graphics Software, or IGS. Yes, no more Arc control, and we don't have to use the Intel Graphics Command Center with Arc discrete graphics cards like it used to before. This is a very good program. It is actually like an improved Intel Graphics Command Center. So I'm really happy about Intel Graphics Software. It is a modern desktop application designed to elevate your gaming and creator experience. With IGS, you can adjust graphics and display settings, create individual game and app profiles, monitor system performance with live metrics, and even create consistent gaming experience with a built-in FPS limiter. All right. Also, it brings overclocking support. You can even adjust the fan curve. It is amazing. One of the standout features is Intel XeSS 2, which includes frame generation and low latency Intel XeSS, frame generation, which is XeSS FG, and Intel XeSS LL, which is XeLL, which is low latency. This is an AI-based frame interpolation technology, which helps achieve higher frame rates and smoother gameplay. Additionally, Intel XeLL reduces the delay between your actions and the on-screen response, providing a more immersive gaming experience. Now let's talk about some known issues with these drivers. Users reported flickering, corruptions in certain scenes in games like the Crew Motorfest and Homeworld 3. There are also reports of application crashes during game launches for games like Seleco, I think it's called Seleco, and Elden Ring. Once again, if you encounter any of these issues, Intel recommends toggling XeSS FG settings or adjusting display modes. But of course, these known issues are going to be fixed in later upcoming drivers. For those looking to maximize their graphics hardware potential, like I said earlier, these drivers include performance tuning features, which is in beta, and that is, of course, overclocking. All right. This allows users to fine-tune their system for optimal performance. And that's really it for today, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Of course, I've been really excited for Battlemage and B series GPUs. As you can tell from my previous videos, I've covered it a lot. I've even reported on some leaks and some rumors in the past. So exciting times. Honestly, right now the B series GPUs, the B580, are pretty much sold out everywhere. They're on pre-order. They're on so they're selling out fast because they're actually amazing, very affordable, great 1080p, and great, even greater 1440p performance. I will leave a link in the description on where you can purchase your own B580 graphics card. Of course, it's going to be an affiliate link, so I will be earning some sort of small commission if you decide to purchase through the link that I post in the description. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Once again, take care, everyone. Peace.